Hey everybody, Frank and Carrie.
Welcome back.
We are coming to you from a rock pile. We went and got these. A lot of people know that we went and got these old steps, and I think we're going to use them today, right?
Yes, we are. Frank is going to fabricate a replacement stone.
Because we don't make stones.
No.
Because God made those a long time ago.
He did.
We're just making different shapes.
That's exactly right, and it turns out wonderful.
Yay! We're a DIY couple that bought an old abandoned mansion.
Yes, we did. And she was in sad shape.
What are we doing with it?
We're fixing her up.
Yay, fixing her up.
Yeah, and she's doing much, much better.
Yep. Dry as a bone. Fresh bone? Dry as a fresh bone. Yes, ma'am. But we're glad you're here, and we're excited for you to make comments so we can answer you.
Yeah. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for watching.
All right.
What you got? A new tool.
It's just a saw.
It's just a saw? Okay.
It didn't do exactly what I wanted it to. It's hard to control.
That's not a saw for me then.
But it is what it is.
Did you want to exchange the red dust for the white dust?
As far as dust goes, I'm colorblind.
Is this a practice run for the pillars?
Well, I'm making that one on the corner there.
Oh, okay. What kind of thing is that? That's not your normal grinder thingy. What is inside?
It's just a sander flap disc.
Oh, okay. I was going, that's
Just sanding.
something a little different.
Just sanding.
Just sanding. Wow, does a good job though. This adds the same design that's already on.
Oh, I'm just taking off material right now.
Right. But that's what a lot of them look like, is have that design on them.
Got a lot of material to take off still.
Yeah. Cool though.
I cheated a little bit.
How did you cheat a little bit?
This takes off material. The flap disc takes off material a lot faster than hammering.
Yeah, but that looks really nice. I was searching for Frank's other chisel.
My pitch.
Yeah.
It's the same color as Bond. It's a Bond tool.
Yeah.
It looks like this one.
Right, and I was
Except
looking.
it's just flat.
Yeah, and I looked all over the place for. I was looking for blue, and I didn't see it anywhere. What do you think, kitten? What do you think?
And once again, the only reason I would even attempt this is I watch a lot of YouTube. Where'd I learn this? Mike Haddock Masonry, and Wayne Faree. Wayne Faree's a limestone carver guy that has a YouTube channel as well. They both are really good at what they do. No idea what the finish is called, but that is what they used to look like long time ago. Long time ago. That's what the world used to look like.
So you have to do all of that now? All the top of it?
Yeah. Well, this is the side.
Where exactly is it going?
The porte cochere.
Oh.
There's a broken one on the porte cochere.
Okay. That's where it's gonna go, is right there. That looks nice, Frank.
Now, what's the chances I got it long enough? I just realized I hadn't measured it in a while.
So do you have to do all of the face, or just what shows?
All of this shows.
Okay.
This is the end of it,
Right.
and this is the face of it. Did you see where it goes?
I think so. It's the top, or it's the upper one.
Nope.
It's the lower one.
I mean, they're the same. One's longer than the other.
Okay.
Long, long time ago. Okay, so. Now the only critical cut of this is that part.
Okay.
The rest can be kind of hidden a little bit.
Okay.
Let's find out if I can.
Okay. Let me move out of the way.
Is it dusty?
A little bit. A little bit. Are you just doing that so the mortar will stick better to it?
Yeah. I'm excited, baby.
You should be. That looks really good.
It's not as hard as I thought it was gonna be.
It's not something I'll be able to do. Huh?
Long, long time ago.
The pillars go the other way though, don't they? They go,
You mean the stripes?
yeah, they go down, don't they?
Yes. In all technicality, they'd go the same way.
Right.
They're vertical.
This is a horizontal piece.
Yes. They make air tools that do this a lot quicker. But I don't got one of those. I'm not saying I'm not going to invest in one eventually.
We're,
This is proof of concept.
right. Proof of concept that if we don't get the tool, you'll still be able to do it. It'll just take a few hours to carve them all.
Long, long time ago. Right now I got a new rock.
Look at that. It looks great. Looks really nice, Frank.
Now we gotta find out if the other one can come out.
Let's go find out.
Think I'll be able to get it out?
I think so. We have a new tool. Well, not necessarily a new tool, but a
Mortar
new,
rake.
yeah, a new,
Thingy.
yeah,
Babadoo.
that's gonna go and it's gonna grind out all this old mortar.
Supposedly.
That's what it's supposed to do. And there's a natural break right there. So how did you like that little thing?
It works good. But as I was doing it, I realized that I might have cut this too small.
Oh.
I didn't account for that. I measured here to here.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Don't know. I don't know what that means yet.
Mm.
I don't know, because I made it a little bigger. Thinking, oh, I'll make it a little bigger, that way there's not this gap, so maybe there will just be the same gap. I tried to make this bigger, just this portion,
Right.
so I might wind up with the exact same gap
Well,
accidentally. I didn't bring the rock with me.
nope.
Hey, babe.
Uh,
I didn't bring my rock.
you didn't bring the rock. You can see the tar that's on the old rock.
Old rock tar, baby.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, rubble course. All cleaned out. Now we got to go get the rock because we forgot it. There's a look at the two stones side by side. One's a little thinner, but I don't know. We'll see.
Oh, no. Just yeah. It's going to be about the same amount as the other one had. So.
Yeah. It had a pretty good mortar line on the bottom for sure. So we have it wedged in there right now, but it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. But it'll look good in there. Comfortable, Mia.